Welcome aboard. This was the condition of my new house. Before moving in, after meticulous cleaning and artful arrangement of furniture, the stage was set. However, one vital ingredient was missing. A soul, a story, a character that would breathe life into these walls. And this is where my magic begins. Let's turn this ordinary space into something extraordinary with a splash of vibrant colors. I feel like I'm not just decorating walls. I'm making these walls reflect my personality and energy. And how beautiful is that it will also resonate within us every single day.
Wow!
Sometimes I feel that life also is like a big painting. Every choices you make is like a brush stroke, and every feeling is like a color you add. And you are the creator of your own story. Happy moments are like bright colors, some moments are darker ones. And that makes your life interesting. Now I am close to my final stroke.
Wow!
But this is not an end, but a continuation of a journey, an invitation to explore what lies beyond. Thank you for joining me on this artistic voyage. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Wow, now it feels like we have made our living space truly ours.